Hello. So in the last video, we have discussed about some ethical hacking methodologies. Hope you understood that concept. So in this video, we are going to discuss about some browser extension which is very helpful for a bug bounty hunter. Getting a step ahead of the others, be it other bug bounty hunter or a malicious actor, is what every bug bounty hunter or pen testers wants. So this can be achieved by making your favorite browser your ultimate hacking tool with the help of these powerful browser extension. You can either use Chrome or your Edge browser. Choose any browser and install all the extension there for do bug bounty hunting. Okay, let me hide this as well. Yeah, first one, Foxy Proxy. It's an advanced proxy management tool that completely replaces Firefox's limited proxying capability. Put simply, Foxy Proxy automates the manual process of editing Firefox connection settings dialog. You can either install this in Firefox or in Chrome also. Multi account containers. Firefox multi account containers let you keep parts of your online life separated into the color coded tabs. Cookies are separated by the container, allowing you to use the web with multiple accounts and integrate Mozilla VPN for an extra layer of privacy. PW and Fox. It's a Firefox or Burp extension that provide useful tools for the security audit, and it includes the features like single-click Burp proxy, contains profiles, post message logger, toolbox injection, security header remover. There are so many things are available for this, and it available on the Firefox. Okay, next one is Hack Tools, the all-in-one red team extension for web pen tester or bug bounty hunter. It's a web extension facilitating your web application penetration test. It includes the cheat sheet as well as all the tools using during the test such as cross-site scripting payloads, reverse shell, and so on. With this extension, you no longer need to search for payloads in different websites or in your local storage space. Most of the tools are accessible in one click. It can include MSF Venom Builder, cross-site scripting payload, SQLi payload, LFI payload. So many payloads are available in this tool, Hack tool. And it can available on Firefox, Chrome, and also the code can available in the GitHub itself. Fifth one is Vapalizer. Simply, it identifies the web technologies. It's a technology profiler that shows you what the websites are built within. You can get the version of the particular technology also. It available on Firefox and Chrome. Next one is Shodan. Shodan is a search engine that let users search for various types of servers connected to the internet using a varieties of filters. This add-on retrieves data gathered by the Shodan.io of the current website you are browsing. It displays you general information such as the organization but also the open ports. .git. An extension for checking if .git is exposed in website visited. A bug bounty hunter will know .git is a gold mine and can escalate to critical issues. Cookie Digger. It lets you efficiently create, edit, and delete a cookie for the current tab. S3 bucket list. Hackers love S3 because they are misconfigured most of the time. Easy bug bounty hunting. Hackbar. Hackbar for Google, Chrome, or Firefox browser. It's a small tool for pen testing web security. It includes load, split, execute URL from address bar, and there are so many options are available for the Hackbar. Hunter. Find email address from anywhere on the web. with just one click. With Hunter, you can immediately find who to contact when you visit a website. Modify header value. It can add, modify, or remove an HTTP request header for all requests on a desired website or URL. Retire.js. It scans a web app for use to vulnerable JavaScript libraries. And the goal of this is to help you to detect the version with the non-vulnerabilities. Temmail. It provides temporary, secure, and anonymous and free disposable email address for you. Open multiple URLs. It opens a list of URLs and optionally extract the URL from the text. Broken link checker. It's mainly an SEO tool to find out the broken or redirected links in the frame. Easy way to get some bounties by taking over the broken social media handles. JSON formatter. It makes JSON to read easy and it comes handy when you test AEM. APK downloader. If you are into Android pen testing or want some quick buck with APK static analysis, APK downloader will make your day. Direct download APK file and install the app manually onto your Android devices. Also, GraphQL client. It's a beautiful feature-rich GraphQL client for all the platform. Ever needed to query a GraphQL server when you don't have the access to the server code? Want just to quickly text a GraphQL query? Altair makes that quite easy. You can provide the query and even specify the header to send with the request. Yes, we have VDP Finder. This extension tells if visited site have any VDP programs, vulnerability disclosure programs. Fake filter. A form filter that fills all input on a page with fake or dummy data. Fake filter is a form filter to fill all inputs field on a page with randomly generated fake data. This productively boosting the extension is a must for developers and testers who work for the forms as it eliminates the need for manually entering the value in the field. Black box. Select, copy, paste and search. This extension will is the fastest way to copy text from the videos or images. Built with. Built with is a website profiler tool. Upon looking upon a page, Built with return a list of the technology in the use of on that page. It's an alternative for the webalizer itself. iMacros. It is designed to automate the most repetitious task on the website. If there is an activity you have to do repeatedly, just record it in the macros. Next time you need to do it, the entire task will be completed at the click of this button. Firefox Relay. It let you to generate email alias that forward you to the real inbox. Use it to hide your real email address and protect yourself from the hackers and unwanted mail. It could be really helpful for you to bug bounty hunting and opting for a free trials, etc. So, hope you understood some. I think there will be there are 25 extension that we showed right now. Hope you understood those awesome extension. And do one thing. This is your task. You have to install these extension and try it yourself. Okay. We will do practical in this extension at the time of our bug bounty hunting. Okay. So first thing we have to thoroughly understand what is bug bounty hunting, what are tools that we need to do bug bounty hunting. So first in first few days it will be completely theory. After that we are getting into the practical session. And let's continue tomorrow. Thank you.